Good morning, boys and girls. Miss Bear coming to you today with our Letterland lesson of the day. This is lesson 37 and 38, and we are going to meet a new Letterlander. But before we get started on that new Letterlander, I've got a new game for you. It's called Who Do You Hear? I'm going to see if I can trick you. All right. I want you to listen to this word. Math. Who's the Letterlander did you just hear at the beginning of this the beginning of this word math? Math. That's right. It's Munchy Mike, the letter M. What about tag? Tag. You're it. Who's that Letterlander at the beginning of that word? Tag. That's right. It's talking test, the letter T. What about the word ache? Like my muscles are sore. They ache. Ache. That's right. It's Mr. A, the apron man. Great job, you guys. Here's another one. What about moose? Moose. That's right. You heard the sound from Munching Mike. What about accident? Accident. It's Annie Apple with her short sound. All right, let's move on to our Who in the world is this? Sammy Snake, and he is teaching us the direction we're going to read today from left to right. When we make Sammy Snake, remember we start at his head. We follow around his body and down to his tail. Can you do that with me? Let's start at his head. We're going to follow his body back and forth and back again and end at his tail. What sound do you hear at the beginning of Sammy Snake? That's right, it's the S sound, just like a snake. All right, would Sammy like to eat mashed potatoes or 16 sizzling sausages? Mashed potatoes, 16 sizzling sausages. I think he would like the sausages. Does Sammy like polka dots or does he like stripes? Look at his tail. That'll give you the clue. He loves stripes. And does Sammy have a sister or a brother? Sammy Snake has a sister. Her name is Sally. So, now that we've met Sammy Snake, you know what our Letterlander is going to be of the day. Let's take a look at his sentence. Sammy Snake is sitting in the sun. I'm going to go ahead and cover up all of my S's. Sammy Snake. There's an S in the word is, but it doesn't start the word is. Sitting in the sun. We got to see the sun today. I'm not sure what's going to happen on Tuesday, though. I think it might rain. All right. Let's move on to our writing page. Here is Sammy Snake, and as you can see, the letter S curves back and forth and back towards his tail. The little S is going to go below the dotted line. Looks just like the capital S. So our Letterlander, Sammy Snake, is going to be able to be put on paper. Go ahead and put a finger space after your big S and your little s and put another big S and little s, just like Sammy Snake. Great job! Put another letter S, both capital and lowercase letter. We've got one more activity for you to share with you before we move on, and that is blending our word. Here we go. Sammy Snake has started our word today. Remember, we're going to go from left to right. So we're going to start with Sammy Snake and flow all the way to Dippy Duck. Let's blend this word. S-A-D. Let me say that again. S-A-D. My word is sad. I was sad I didn't get to see you guys, but it's a Sunday. So it's a day at home with your families. I'm going to put talking Tess right over top of Dippy Duck. We're going to hide Dippy Duck. Oh, no, not going to hide Dippy Duck today. All right. I wonder if I can move Dippy Duck on top. Nope, they're going to hide behind. All right, so my boxes are not working today, but we can also build the word dad by putting Dippy Duck in front of Annie Apple. Let's see if he'll flow down there. Nope, he's still hiding. D-A, oh, we can move it this way. D, there's our word dad. D-A-D, dad. And I can move this back up. And I can build a new word. Let's move this Dippy Duck off to the side. And I'll bring in Talking Tess now. And let's read this word with Sammy Snake. S-at. S-at. Sat. Sammy Snake sat below the line. I hope you guys have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. I can't wait to see you in our Zoom meetings. We'll see you soon. Bye.